Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying hardware and taking the first actionable steps now. Start by cleaning the lens. Debris or smudges create blur and confuse depth sensors. Once done, confirm your device supports portrait mode and that the OS is current so software depth algorithms run correctly. Next, close background apps to free RAM. If you want a stable test, enable airplane mode briefly. These quick checks eliminate 80% of common problems and let you proceed to focused troubleshooting without waste. Now adjust settings and refine how portrait mode interprets depth. You should tap the subject to set focus and, where offered, lock exposure or AE so brightness doesn't shift mid-shot. Make sure you're on the main 1x lens because secondary tele or ultra-wide lenses may not provide accurate depth maps. Avoid zoom. Improve lighting and position the subject about 1 to 2 meters away so the software can separate foreground and background. Once those changes are made, take a test shot and evaluate edges and blur. Finish by applying final fixes and a key troubleshooting tip if things still fail. If portrait results remain poor, update or reinstall the camera app and reset camera settings to defaults. Sometimes corrupted configs break depth. If built-in portrait consistently missegments edges, try a reputable third-party camera app or switch to manual mode to simulate depth via a wider aperture. If you see cutouts, place the subject against a contrasting background and retake. If problems persist, a hardware sensor service check is the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.